This is 2023. Typing is overrated. Be ashamed of yourself and use voice typing instead. So here's how you do it. Make sure you have these 3 crucial things. 1. Google web browser. 2. Microphone or mic. 3. A cup of tea in a quiet room. First, open your Google browser, go to the upper right grid icon, and then click on Google Docs. Click on Tools, then Voice Typing. A little box will appear on the side. Feel free to change the language. And then, click on the microphone icon to start recording. Then allow your Google to access microphone. Seems accurate and convincing, don't you think? Clicking the microphone will instantly stop the recording. As demonstrated, you can put punctuation marks if needed as well. Of course, this is not 100% accurate. You will see a great underline to text that Google are not sure of. If this happens, just put the mouse on the underlined text, and right-click, and choose the words you want to. Now, pro tip. You can also edit the text using voice typing. Go back to the sentence. To do this, just say, stop listening to turn off voice typing. Get the point? Gosh, how can you live your life without me? Voice typing is a fast and convenient way to type in notes. That's it for me. Let me know what you need next. Scalarly out.